Hey beautiful people, welcome back to SoulSync. Today's video is one of those soft, smile without noticing topics because we're talking about the little, unintentional things girls do that quietly steal hearts. These are not planned moves or calculated actions. They're natural, sweet, and often done without even realizing how adorable they look from the outside. The kind of moments that make someone fall a little harder without knowing why. This video is about those shy laughs, goofy habits, and tiny behaviors that feel normal to her but feel unforgettable to someone watching. If you've ever wondered why certain girls just feel warm, comforting, and impossible to forget, this is exactly why. Let's talk about the cute chaos girls create without even trying. 1. She laughs softly with you but loudly with her friends. When she's with you, her laugh is quieter, softer, almost shy, like she's holding it back without realizing it. She smiles first, looks away for a second, and then lets out that gentle laugh that feels personal. It's not forced or dramatic. It's natural and warm, and it makes the moment feel intimate. You notice how different her energy feels around you compared to everyone else. That softness is unintentional, but it says so much. Then with her friends, she laughs like a whole different person. Loud, chaotic, full volume, sometimes snorting, sometimes clapping, sometimes laughing like a donkey without shame. She forgets how she looks, forgets who's watching, and just exists freely. That contrast is adorable because it shows comfort, safety, and authenticity. She doesn't try to be perfect, she just is. What makes this so cute is that she never notices the difference herself. She doesn't realize how her laughter changes with emotions and comfort. To someone who likes her, that shift feels special, like being invited into a softer version of her world. It's not something she plans, but it becomes unforgettable. 2. She fixes her hair or clothes when she's nervous. She doesn't do it to look pretty. She does it because she feels something. Twisting her hair, adjusting her sleeves, fixing the edge of her scarf, or smoothing her shirt without noticing. These tiny movements happen when she's shy, excited, or slightly nervous. It's her body reacting before her mind catches up. And that's what makes it so genuine. Sometimes she does it mid-conversation, sometimes when she laughs, sometimes when eye contact lasts a little longer than expected. She's not even aware she's doing it. To her, it's just a habit. To someone watching, it's one of the clearest signs of soft feelings and emotional awareness. What's cute is the innocence of it. She's not performing or trying to impress, she's simply responding to how she feels inside. Those little nervous gestures create a quiet intimacy that words can't explain. It's subtle, sweet, and deeply attractive without effort. 3. She shares random, useless details about her day. She tells you about the stray cat she saw, the song that played at the wrong moment, or how her coffee tasted weird today. These details don't seem important to her. She talks casually, like she's just filling silence. But what she doesn't realize is that sharing these small things means she's letting you into her everyday world. She doesn't wait for big news or dramatic stories. She just talks about nothing and everything. It shows comfort, trust, and emotional closeness. She feels safe enough to be unfiltered and ordinary with you. That's not something she does with everyone. What makes it adorable is how unaware she is of its impact. To her, it's just talking. To someone who cares, it feels like connection. Those small details become memories, and her voice becomes associated with comfort. It's one of the purest green flags, done without intention. 4. She gets extra playful when she's comfortable. When she feels safe, her inner child comes out quietly. She teases lightly, jokes randomly, and sometimes says things that don't even make sense. She becomes silly, not loud, but playfully weird. It's the version of her she doesn't show everyone, and she doesn't even notice the shift happening. She might send random emojis, make inside jokes, or say something dramatic just to make you laugh. It's not attention-seeking, it's comfort. She feels relaxed enough to drop her guard. That playful energy is rare and precious. What makes this so cute is that she doesn't label it as flirting. She's just being herself. But that softness mixed with playfulness creates emotional closeness. It makes moments feel lighter and more alive. And it's unforgettable. 5. She remembers tiny things without trying. She remembers how you like your tea, what mood certain songs put you in, or that random story you told weeks ago. She doesn't write it down or make a mental note. It just stays with her naturally. That's because she listens with her heart, not just her ears. She brings these things up casually, like it's nothing. But those small reminders make you feel seen. It shows care without effort. She doesn't realize how meaningful it feels to be remembered in quiet ways. What makes this adorable is her innocence about it. She thinks everyone does this. She doesn't know how rare it is. Those small memories build emotional safety and warmth, and they stay long after conversations end. 6. She tries to act normal when she's not annoyed. She says she's okay, but her tone shifts just a little, like she's holding something back. Her smile stays, but it feels softer, quieter, almost fragile in a way she doesn't notice herself. She keeps the conversation light, jokes a bit, and pretends nothing is wrong. Not because she wants to hide from you, but because she doesn't want to burden anyone. That effort to stay calm is instinctive, not calculated. She might avoid talking about what's bothering her, yet her energy gives it away. Her replies slow down, her laughter feels lighter, and her eyes linger for a second longer than usual. She doesn't realize how visible her emotions become when she tries to contain them. Those tiny changes speak louder than words ever could. Someone who truly notices feels closer to her because of it. What makes this so cute is the contrast between her strength and softness. She's trying to be composed, but her heart peeks through anyway. That quiet vulnerability is gentle and real. It shows emotional depth, care, and sensitivity, and it leaves a lasting warmth in someone who understands her without being asked. 7. She gets shy right after being brave. She says something bold, honest, or confident, and then immediately laughs, looks away, or changes the topic. It's like she surprises herself with her own courage. One second, she's fearless, the next, she's blushing and pretending it didn't happen. That switch is completely unintentional, and that's what makes it adorable. She might send a confident text and then follow it with a nervous emoji or make eye contact for a second longer before breaking it shyly. She doesn't realize how charming that mix of bravery and softness is. It shows she's real, not rehearsed. She allows herself to be seen for a moment, then retreats gently. What makes this unforgettable is how human it feels. She's not trying to impress. She's just responding to her feelings in real time. That blend of confidence and shyness creates emotional intimacy. It makes moments feel special, honest, and deeply personal, and it lingers longer than she knows. She cares in small, quiet ways. She checks if you've eaten, reminds you to rest, or asks how your day really went. Not dramatically, not loudly, just softly and naturally. She notices when your mood changes, even if you don't say anything. Her care shows up in simple questions and gentle reminders. She thinks it's just basic kindness. She doesn't announce her concern or demand attention for it. She listens, remembers, and follows up without making it a big deal. Her care feels safe, consistent, and warm. It's not overwhelming or intense, it's steady and sincere. That kind of attention feels comforting without pressure. What makes this so special is that she doesn't even realize she's doing it. To her, it's normal. To someone who feels it, it's everything. Those quiet actions build trust, attachment, and emotional safety, and they stay in the heart long after the moment passes. These are the things girls do without planning, without strategy, and without realizing how special they look while doing them. The shy laughs, the goofy moments, the quiet care, they're not performances, they're instincts. That's what makes them powerful. The softest actions often leave the deepest impressions. If this video made you smile, feel understood, or think of someone special, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync, and tell me in the comments which one felt the most real to you or which one reminded you of her.